Prime 406 Games.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. I'm not giving up on this set. Turns out I like it more than I thought. So, let's see what we can pull today. Still on the hunt for a couple things. Screw my luck. I'm looking for a Sylvan library. So, let's see if we can pull one today, huh? Shut away. Shut away. Ah, good old draft boosters, man. So, it's aging pretty well. It's been officially, 5 weeks, I think, since release on this? Excuse me, guys. And, yeah. Everything seems to be settling pretty nicely, so that's good. And I got the birds playmat out for pure luck. So, we do have some uncommons that are worth a damn, but we don't care today. Somebody told me that the top left pack in every stack is a mythic. Busted. I do want that in foil, though. I'm not gonna lie. Mountain, zombie. Myth busted. How's everybody? Thanks for joining me on our Dom remastered adventure. Dark Withering, Rift Grove, very good bounce Tri-land. Oh, hey! I think I made this happen by using the bird's playmat. That and foil is going for a pretty penny too. And that goes in the good pile. Hopefully we can add to that. Dedapult, Order to Chaos, Voices of All, and little Peeky Boo, Glory Boo, Juggernaut, bitch. Ooh, and a foily Tormod's Crypt. Not too shabby. Mountain and a Griffin. Playing hard to get, aren't you, Box? Yeah, Flame Tongue. Flame Tongue. Is there 2 Borderlesses in this pack? What in the hell is that? Holy shit! We did it, puppy. Oh, guys. Oh my god. Does anybody keep a track? It's number 4. I have 5 Force of Wills now. I got a burp. Hang on. Oh boy. Wow. That tickles the buttons. We did it! Okay, it's not what I wanted, but I'll take it. Jorial, okay, and ooh, do we got a foily? We do have a foil. That's a common though. That's whatever. Oh, dudes. We got like 30 packs to go. Let's freaking go. That was like pack 4 or 5, wasn't it? I've never seen 2 borderless cards like that back to back. That's nuts. Oh, what are you? Sneak attack. Yes. Oh, man. I'll tell you what sneaky is that. Oh, let's see if we can't find a foily something. That'd be epic as hell. Umbilicus. Ooh, Dark Withering. Nice card. In a swamp. Kitty meow. Kitty, kitty meow. Kitty, kitty meow. All right, upside down Phyrexian Rager. That's not new, but I haven't seen it in a long time. Gamble. That's a half a tutor. That'll do. Ah, Zer. Oh, that's not the rare you want to see in that spot. That's fine. We can get multiples, right? We're not even done with the first stack. I'm not complaining. Trust me, it's not a complaint. It might sound like it, but it's really not. All right, come on. Let's see some more spice. What else we get? Maze of Ith? Nope. Helm of Awakening. Very, very pretty card. Yeah. Construct token to go with your Urza. Wow. Siege Gang Commander. There's a lot of red going on right now. Interesting. Not really. I'm probably just noticing it more than I should. I love Street Wraith. Good card. And Dragon Whelp. Yay. Ooh, slice and dice. Just double tap on the birds. Okay. Ooh. All right. Ooh. You got a foily in there. That's pretty cool. Birds. That's what I get for using the birds playmat. Maybe I should have pulled out the Vamp Tube playmat for this. You gotta pull the Vamp Tubes. Yeah, go away. That pack just fell apart. Oh, I love the Spirit Guide. I wish I could get that in. Ooh, Hunting Grounds. Not the best mythic, but it's a cool ass card. Come on! Ooh, Voice of All, good card, Jared's Verdict. I love this artwork. What's the Heart of Light and a Soul of Darkness cannot coexist. Hey, we got a Woodland Cemetery for our first land in the box. Sick. Meow. Okay. This is interesting. This is interesting. Not gonna lie. Bloop. Bloop. Storm Entity, and it's white. Test of Endurance. It's not a Sarah Avatar. That's for... that. I'll take that. Kind of would like to see something else. We've got 4. I mean... Force of Will. I think it's like $70 right about now. I reckon. Spinal Embrace. Rare. Foily Obsessive Search. Mountain. And a bug. Oh. Okay. Things are hard. To the uncommons. Factory, Confiscate. Windborn Muse, nice. Good card. Man, we got a sheep. And we've got 4 mythics and we're already halfway through the box. Ooh. So 1 more maybe, I think. The average like 4 or 5. Opposition. Stop yelling at me, Arya. Bird. Whew. This is hard. Come on, spicy, 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 spice. Ooh, I will definitely take a Retro Entomb. Seems how I just traded one away. Nice. Thank you. Cryptic Gateway. Okay. Oh! It's the playmat's fault! Oh boy, everybody's gonna love that. You get a bird, and you get a bird, and you get a bird, and I get a backwards upside down card. That is definitely something to look forward to. Oh, nuts! God damn, dude. I have so many of those. That's definitely not the green mythic I wanted to see. Darn it. Oh, shucks, folks. Pew! Oh, isolated chapel. Sweet. Bleep. I can't believe I have 3 freaking birds of paradise right now. That's just nuts. And a nut collector. He's collecting them nuts along with some other stuff. So Canar and a retro frame. I think we got a foil and a total crap. Alright, almost done with the second stack. I had a foily borderless rare, which was birds. That's pretty dope. It's not like, you know, huge hit or anything, but I'll take it. Ah! Our first tutor! Yay! Too busy pulling other heat to remember tutors. Nice. I know my piles are atrocious, and I am sorry. Also, don't care. I see something spicy back there. Oh, what are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? Ooh, a gamble. Okay. So with 2 gambles, we have 2 tutors. Because one is half a tutor. Kinda. Alright, on the last stack. What else can we get? And a couple more tutors we can get. There's a really awesome artifact I want. That's not it. But still, I cursed myself because I said Sylvan Library, and then I was like, it's going to be a bird box, watch. And yeah, it's pretty much been a bird box. Minus the force sneak attack. Sneaky force attack. Oh, what are you? What are you? Red. Grim Lavamancer. Okay. I think we're doing okay in the borderless slot. That's... Yeah, I definitely picked these boxes up before they start spiking hella hard. Because I have a feeling they're going to go up. Oh, that's not a rare. Neither's that. Boo, hiss. I have a feeling these will go up eventually. Once the dust settles fully. Depending on how much they actually printed, but like... I really wanted to get more of it because I didn't get as much TSR as I had liked, so kind of making up for it here too, I suppose. That is a healthy stack of commons and uncommons over there. Healthy. Gotta sort all that later. It's gonna be fun. Another borderless? Ooh, High Tide. Dope. Ooh, Oversold Cemetery. Nice. Nice. Good card. Very good card. This set is just full of good cards. Now I had to fix my glasses. Oh, stop and smell the roses. No! Gem Palm, another Elvish Spirit Guide, and another Woodland Cemetery. Cool. Real estate is the best estate. And we're almost done. We definitely cooled off. Left side seems to be strong side. Grab my strong hand. Riff. You're rare. Not a land. This is... where's the fourth bird, Spox? Come on. Troll me some more with it. That'd be great. Another. Ugh. Ew. Boo. What the hell? What the hell, pack? 2 wrists back to back? That sucks. That's terrible. Two of those. I mean, you know, duplication's real. It's okay. One more mythic for the road? But I was right, we did get 5. Oh, I thought it was another bird's. I was gonna lose it. Oh, hi. So we got like multiple foil rares. That's awesome. Too bad that's not birds. Couple glories. Not a fan of that card. All right, last pack magic. Again, thank you guys for chilling with me. Hope you made it this far. If you did, hashtag play set of birds. Another high tide. Come on. Nope, it's a land. Hinterland Harbor. That's okay, though. I would say this is a pretty solid box. Pretty solid overall. I do like my real estate, so that's always a plus. Mad Portalisk. 1 tutor. That. An Entomb. 3 birds. Force the Will. Sneak Attack. Hunting Grounds. Test of Endurance. And a Nut Collector. Not too bad. Hopefully my collector box is better. Till next time, guys. Peace.